Welcome back to your seasons class and I hope everybody are going great, right? তোমরা সবাই খুব ভালো আছো, সুস্থ আছো and recently we have celebrated the festival of Diwali, correct? So Diwali, what is that? As you know, it is a very popular festival of Hindus, okay? So we Hindus, we people celebrate this festival with great joy. অনেক মজা করে থাকি during Diwali. So, as you know that Diwali is a festival, so this is the topic of our discussion today. We are going to start with Unit 3 from your Season Semester 2 book, and we are going to discuss three celebrations, three festivals in our country which is celebrated. Those are Diwali, Christmas and Eid. So today we are going to cover the pages 48 to 53 and page number 56, okay? So কি পেজ পড়বো আজকে আমরা পড়বো পেজ 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 and page number 56, okay? So মনে হচ্ছে এখানে অনেকগুলো pages, but there are lots of pictures which is covered in these pages, okay? So without wasting much time, let us start with the topic. So to do that, you have to sit in front of your seasons book and open page number 48, okay? So this is the first page we are going to start off. And here you can see a picture of the celebration, the festival, and the meaning of festival in Bengali is Utshav, okay? So the first festival we are going to talk about is Diwali, that is D-I-W-A-L-I, Diwali, okay? So what we do in this festival? We burn crackers, we light diyas and candles, we eat sweets, we eat good dishes, good foods made by our mother, made by our relatives, right? So we also wear very beautiful pretty dresses on this festival, okay? We wear new clothes and we celebrate this festival with our near and dear ones, with our family members and with our friends and other relatives, correct? তো আমরা এগুলো সবাই মিলেমিশে এই ফেস্টিভ্যালটা, এই উৎসবটা পালন করে থাকি. Okay, so this festival is known as the Diwali, D-I-W-A-L-Y. So you can see a lot of pictures here. Children are burning firecrackers, they are lighting diyas, mother is taking sweets, she is offering sweets, and we also do pujas during Diwali, okay? So this is one festival we have done. The next festival that we are going to study is Christmas. Christmas. The spelling of Christmas is C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. Okay. So to do this, everybody open page number 51. Okay. So this is the celebration of Christmas, and this is a popular festival celebrated by Christians. Christians are the people who celebrate this festival which is known as Christmas. So nowadays we also celebrate this festival. আমরাও কিন্তু celebrate করে থাকি. And how do we do that? Yes. What kind of things you may get to see? They make a Christmas tree which is very popular to you, right? You already know what is Christmas tree. So this is a kind of a tree which is decorated with many gifts. অনেক রকমের গিফটস, চকলেট, সুইটস দিয়ে সাজানো হয় এই ট্রিটা, তাই তো? আর ছোট ছোট গিফট বলস. Then comes the Santa Claus. How can we forget about him? So the Santa Claus is also decorated in this Christmas tree. Small toys like Santa Claus are decorated in this tree, and Santa Claus is a figure which we can see on this Eid. Okay, এই সেলিব্রেশনে আমরা মানে বাবা বা মায়েরা Santa Claus সেজে তারা সেলিব্রেট করে এই ফেস্টিভ্যালটা. ওকে, so Santa Claus you have must seen in your book or somewhere in the pictures. Yes, so he dresses in a red top to toe gown. He has got a red cap on his head with some white laces on it, right? And he carries a bag. তার কাছে একটা ব্যাগ থাকে in which he carries many gifts with him, and he distributes all that gifts to the children, to the lovely children. Okay, so that is how Christmas is celebrated, and we also enjoy doing that. তাই তো আমরাও দেখবে এখন অনেকের বাড়িতেই আমরা করে থাকি Christmas, which is celebrated on 25th December. Okay, so this is the month of November. After this, the month comes December. On that day we celebrate Christmas on 25th of December. Okay, how do we do that? তোমরা দেখবে অনেকের বাড়িতেই ছোট ছোট গ্রিন কালারের ক্রিসমাস ট্রি আনানো হয়, বানিয়ে রাখা হয়, বা they buy it from the shop also, the local shop, and they decorate that Christmas tree with many gifts, with little balls, with little gifts, তাই তো? So that's how we decorate the Christmas tree in our house. And we also love to eat cakes. Okay, very sweet, yummy, delicious cake is eaten on that day. Alright, this is how we celebrate the festival Christmas. Okay, and Christmas is celebrated by Christians. Do not forget that. Okay, so what is your task to do? You will get to see all these pictures in your book. This is the picture of Santa Claus. These are all gifts. So these are stars which is decorated on this Christmas tree. This Christmas tree is decorated with balloons. Children are wearing that Santa Claus cap, and they are also enjoying a lot. অনেক মজা হচ্ছে Christmas celebration, Christmas festival. Okay, বোঝা গেল Christmas? So now we are going to move forward with the next festival, which is also a popular one, that is Eid. Okay, so what is Eid? To do that, you have to look at page number 53. Okay, so this is the festival of Eid, and Eid is celebrated by Muslims. Okay, so Muslim is another a different religion. And what do? How do they celebrate this festival? They hug each other, they greet each other. Okay, and they say Eid Mubarak. What do they say? Yes, Eid Mubarak to each other. Okay, and they also cook many dishes in their home. They eat many foods which is very tasty, very yummy, and they also share those food with their family and friends. তারা সবাই মিলে জুলে একসাথে বসে অনেক ভালো ভালো খাবার খায়. Okay, and they greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak. Okay, so these are all three festivals that we have learned today. What will be your work? Your work is to identify or know the pictures very well. Eid celebration, Eid festival e kirokom type er ki jinish dekhle tomra, you can see the moon, the half moon on the Eid. Okay, akashe চাঁদ দেখা যায় কিন্তু এইটা. All right, so you have seen a lot of pictures in your book. তাহলে কি করতে হবে? Yes, which celebration, which festival is related to which pictures, you have to know that. Okay, and to do that there is also an exercise given in this book. Let us see where it is. Okay, so turn to the page 61. Okay, so this page will be page number 61. Okay, so what you will do, open page number 61. There you can see many pictures which we can see on these three festivals. সেগুলো কি কি আমরা একটু দেখব. So this is a diya, picture of diya. See the first picture. Okay, so we light diya during Diwali, right? The next picture is Christmas tree. So we decorate Christmas tree during Christmas festival. Got it? The next picture is gift, and this gift we can see during this Christmas festival. বোঝা গেল? কত easy না? Yes. So this is mosque. M-O-S-Q-U-E, mosque. M-O-S-Q-U-E, mosque মানে মসজিদ. Okay, so mosque is a very religious place, and Muslim go here to pray. Okay, এখানে মুসলিমরা গিয়ে থাকে তারা pray করবার জন্য. So this is the spelling of crackers. So this is the picture of crackers. C-R-A-C-K-E-R-S, crackers. Okay, so what is crackers? Yes, crackers মানে যে বাজিগুলো তোমরা উড়িয়ে থাকো, তাই তো, during Diwali. So these are all crackers, and we get to see it during Diwali. Okay, the next one is cake. C-A-K-E, cake. We eat cake during Christmas festival, correct? Fine. The next one is star. So when do we see the star? Yes, we see star during Eid, okay? During Eid celebration. This is sweets, SWEET, sweets. Sweets, we eat sweets during Diwali, correct? The next one is moon, and we see moon during Eid, okay? So, what your work is to do? Learn all the spellings with pictures along with associate them with the festival they are related to. ঠিক আছে, যে সমস্ত ফেস্টিভ্যালের সাথে এই পিকচার্সগুলো আমরা দেখতে পাই বা দেখে থাকি, তোমাদের সেগুলো একটু মনে রাখতে হবে, ওকে? কোয়েশ্চেন মে কাম লাইক ম্যাচ দ্য পিকচার্স উইথ দ্য ফেস্টিভ্যালস, কারেক্ট? তাহলে স্টার্ট প্র্যাকটিসিং অল দিস. ইয়োর ওয়ার্ক ইজ টু learn all the spellings, learn all the identify all the pictures with the celebration, with the festival they are related to, and this is how we will get to learn or know about the different festivals which are celebrated in our country. Buja gelo? So today we have learnt about 3 festivals, that are the Diwali, Christmas and Eid. Fine? So practice all this. অনেকগুলো পেজ করে নিয়েছি, তার মধ্যে 3-4টে পেজই হচ্ছে আমরা পড়েছি, বাকিগুলো সব পিকচার্স, রাইট? So your work will be the thing that I've told you just now. Practice all this. So here we are going to end this class today. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, stay well, stay healthy. Thank you.